Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today I will show you a practical video on how to make shampoo base. Friends, as you have seen, many videos are available in YouTube for making shampoo base, but my formula is different from them. So please watch my video from start to end. Friends, see, this is SLS powder, sodium lauryl sulfate. It is very fine in texture. See, this is cocoa betaine. See, this is common salt, sodium chloride. This is water. You can take RO water, mineral water or DM water. Friends, see, in this there is warm water. Now I am adding SLS powder in this warm water and mixing it. Friends, please mix properly. It takes some time to mix. See, now it has dissolved properly. Now I am adding cocoa betaine. After mixing properly, now I am adding salt. After adding salt, the liquid will gradually start thickening. See, the shampoo base is ready. See the thickness. Friends, finally you will see shampoo base like this after the foam disappears. So this is the final product. Friends, I have not given the quantity of salt because salt is added very gradually. Add a bit of salt at a time and then mix it properly for 5 minutes. After mixing for 5 minutes, if the solution doesn't thickens, add a small amount of salt again and then mix it for 5 minutes again. Gradually, it will thickens the liquid. The quantity of salt should not exceed 10 gram for 1 liter shampoo base. Otherwise, shampoo base will become watery. Friends, the demand of shampoo base is very high in the market, so you can do business of shampoo base. It is a very profitable business. Simply fill this shampoo base in bottles and label the bottles and sell in the market. To watch further videos, please friends subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will see a small bell on the screen. Please press the bell icon. Then you will see 3 options. Please press the all button which is written on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will see all the notifications of my further videos whenever I make a new video. So pressing all is very important. And also please share my video with all your friends and relatives. Okay friends, bye bye. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.